in this numerical, the variation of potential with the distance r from a fixed point is as shown. The electric field at r is equal to 5 meters. So we want to know electric field at r is equal to 5 meter. See, we know electric field is equal to minus dV by dr, that is negative potential gradient, that is variation of potential with respect to distance r. What is potential difference? See, dV by dr in this VR graph, first let us talk about slope. Slope also can be given as m is equal to tan of theta. So here, what is tan theta here? Let us concentrate here. Tan of theta, that is tan of theta is equal to variation in y axis in variation in the x axis, that is slope is equal to y final minus y initial divided by x, here x is r final minus r initial is equal to y final is 95, y final because it is already given final point, initial point this way. So 95 minus 100 y initial divided by 6 minus 4. If this is final, this will be also final. This is r final and this is r initial, 6 minus 4. Therefore, slope is equal to minus 5 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2.5. Slope is equal to minus 2.5. Tan theta also we can find out. This distance is equal to 5 and this distance is equal to 6 minus 4, 2. This is what, how we will find out negative slope? Negative slope or positive slope. See, with the angle is always, if the straight line is like this, you must have had some idea from the +1 mathematics. For NEET student, I am giving some description. If this is the theta, theta is always measured from the x-axis. If theta is greater than 90 degree, then slope is equal to negative. Further, we need not to go in the mathematics. Suppose if it is like this, this is theta, this here theta is less than 90 degree, here the slope is equal to positive degree. It means if it is going this way, see this is going this way, so this is negative slope as it is, and if it is going this way, like this way, the slope will be positive. So slope, we must know how to take the slope, and we know electric field is equal to minus dV by dr. Why we write dV by dr? Variation of y-axis, because it is in the y-axis, it is in the x-axis, dr is in the x-axis, variation of y-axis divided by variation of x-axis is equal to slope. It means slope of dV by slope of VR graph gives the electric field. So we can write what is electric field is equal to minus what is slope dV by dr. dV by dr is equal to, okay, now potential is asking potential at, so we also know delta V is equal to E into dr minus, because we are integrating from final to initial, we have already done this one. So it can be written also E into E dot product dr, because electric field and both are in the same direction. So delta V is equal to E into dr into cos of theta, angle between E and 0 degree. Already we have seen that one. That is why delta, change in potential is always V final minus V initial is equal to E into dr. This is equal to 0. This is equal to 1. So we need not to write this one. Therefore, now we can see the electric field. What is electric field? Electric field is equal to, this is the expression, electric field is equal to, electric field is equal to minus, what is slope? Slope is equal to dV by dr, which is equal to dV variation of y coordinate with the variation of x coordinate is equal to minus 2.5 minus v is equal to minus dv by dr, which is equal to dv by dr is equal to minus 2.5 minus of minus 2.5 is equal to plus 2.5 volt per meter. So electric field is nothing but a negative of the slope. Slope of this graph is equal to minus 2.5 negative. So at any point, we can take any point. So the answer is 2.5 volt per meter. This will be the answer.